After observing the Pandavas, Duryodhana now turns to his own side. Now let's look at Shloka 7 of Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Asmakam tu vishishtaye tani bodhadvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya sainyartam tan bravimite. Translation: O best of Brahmanas, be informed of the principal generals on our side, who are especially qualified to lead the military force. These I now recount unto you. Duryodhana refers to Drona as Dvijottama, a term meaning the best among the twice born. This title traditionally applies to Brahmins who undergo the Upanayana ritual, which is considered their second birth and marks their initiation into education. By calling him a Brahmin, Duryodhana indirectly reminds Drona of his nature as a teacher. A Brahmin is expected to teach, guide, and show compassion, and a teacher values fairness and care towards students. Yet, despite being a Brahmin, Drona now stands as the commander of the Kaurava army. Duryodhana fears that these qualities of compassion and fairness might make him gentle towards his former students like Arjuna and Drishtadyumna. Saying this, Duryodhana now begins to name the warriors on his side in the next shloka. Something to reflect on: know your own strength. We often underestimate ourselves and get intimidated by others. Knowing our own strength shifts how we step into challenges. A closing thought to ponder: know your strengths, prepare with intention, and trust the process. Thank you for joining. See you in the next shloka. Jai Shri Krishna.
Bhagavad Gita ki dhum chale, hriday se hriday tak, shabd ban ke divyagni jala de har andhak, shravan karo man mein utaro har shloka hai margdarshan, Gita jahan jyoti jalao, बन जाओ तुम अपना अर्पण।